In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Canva. So to do this, just go and open up Canva first and go to your website. And when you go to the Publish Website section here, you can see your site address. So just going to click on Edit or go to Settings, and then from there click Get a New Domain. Now just select Bring Your Own Domain and then Continue. And here now enter the domain that you bought from Namecheap, which for me is this right here. So then click Continue. Now actually you need to remove the www and then Continue. Then from there click Review Steps. Now from here you will need to add an A record, and this is really simple. So for now just go and copy the value right here. Then go to Namecheap and then Account and Dashboard. And then from here go to your domain list. And then go to the domain by going to click on Manage right there. Then go to Advanced DNS. Now what you want to do is just remove the records you have right now, at least if you don't need those. And then click on Add a New Record right there. And in this case we need to add an A record. For the host, just enter this right there. And for the IP address, just go and paste in what you copied right there. And then click Record Added. Now you need to add another one, so again go and copy the value and remember that this is www. Then click Add New Record. Make it an A record, enter www, and paste in what you just copied. Now go back to Canva, click Record Added, and now finally you need to add a TXT record. So for the value, go and copy that, and remember that this is one of these icons. Then click Add New Record, and now instead of an A record, do a TXT record, and again enter one of those, and just paste in what you just copied. And now just click Save Changes on all of them. And after doing that, go back to Canva and click Record Added, and then click I have updated my DNS records. And from there, it's syncing your domain to the internet. DNS records updates aren't instant as they need to sync across many servers. It's usually done within 20 minutes, but it can take up to 72 hours in some cases. So that is all you need to do. Now you just need to wait probably less than 20 minutes, but it can take even up to 72 hours. And you can now see under site address that I do now have this domain, and I can now publish. And you can see that now it uses the domain. If I just go and open this right here, it says page not found. Now the reason for this is that it isn't yet connected, but after it is, then it will be connected to your website. So now you know how to connect Namecheap to Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.